Convert 783 base 10 to base 8. Solution. Solution to the problem. Then we write the number here. That's 783. And what are we converting to? Base 8. We write the 8 here. Now we start. 78 divided by 8. That will give us what? That's 9. Because 9 times 8 is 72. So take away 72 from 78. What will you have? You are going to have 6. Put the 6 in front of these 3. You have 63. Now, 63 divided by 8, 7. Now, 7 times 8, 56. Take away from that 63. You now have remainder what? 7. Now, let's divide again. Dividing by 8, what do we have? 97 divided by 8, what are you going to have? 12. Because 12 times 8 is what? 96. So that will be remainder 1. Then, we divide by 8 again. 12 divided by 8, what do we have? 1. Remainder what? 4. Then we divide by 8. 1 divided by 8, what do we have? 0. Remainder what? Remainder 1. Then your answer is from the bottom to the top, rather. From bottom to top. So the first number at the bottom, what do we have? We can now conclude that 783 base 10 is equals to what? Is equals to 1, which is the first number here. Followed by what? 4. Followed by 1. Followed by 7. And what base is that? Base 8. That is the solution to the problem.